Here are the 5 best baby plates, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But plenty of parents watch a full plate slide across the high chair tray before the first bite. The fix isn't the cutest shape, it's suction, cleanup, and how your child eats. Pick suction for planted plates, sections for self-feeding, and material for cleanup. Then match it to your everyday dishwasher routine. Let's move. Number 5. Replay divided plate. Need plates that disappear into a crowded cabinet instead of starting another precarious stack? I'd pick Replay for families wanting divided plastic plates that stack neatly between meals. Its deep, high-sided sections give a small eater an edge to push food against while scooping. That makes loose peas or pasta feel more contained during everyday meals. But it has no suction, so a determined hand can move the whole plate. Its 3.0 ease of use score also keeps it from climbing higher for me. So this is about cabinet order, not keeping dinner planted. Skip it if your child regularly slides plates across the table. I'd also skip it if you want the least fussy daily routine. Number 4. Munchkin Splash Plate and Bowl Set. Want a plate and bowl set that covers the basics without turning mealtime into a gear project? I'd choose Munchkin for a lower-cost plastic setup where easy cleanup matters more than suction. Its 7.0 cleaning score makes it the shortlist practical cleanup-minded budget option. The anti-skid base gives some resistance when a bowl gets nudged across the tray. But that isn't a suction mount, and the plastic can scratch easily. So I treat it as a useful everyday set, not a forever-looking perfect purchase. Skip it if your child needs a plate held firmly to the eating surface. I'd also skip it if visible scratches will annoy you. It works best when your budget and cleanup routine matter more than finish longevity. Number 3. ezpz Mini Mat. Picture one silicone piece catching the spill zone and holding the food. I'd pick the ezpz Mini Mat for babies and young toddlers who eat at the same surface every day. It's all-in-one mat and plate uses suction, so the meal area stays together rather than becoming separate pieces. That format is especially handy when you want one item to place and remove. But it requires special dishwashing detergent, which adds a firm condition to cleanup. Its 5.0 cleaning score is why I wouldn't call it the effortless default. So the convenience starts at the table, then asks more in the kitchen. Skip it if your regular dishwashing routine can't accommodate that detergent. I'd also skip it if you want a plate without the surrounding mat. For the right routine, it's a neatly contained setup. Number 2. Bamboo Fox Suction Plate. Wood-look tableware has charm, but it asks more from you. I'd pick Bamboo Fox for parents who prefer a bamboo plate and still want a removable silicone suction base. That base brings a suction-equipped setup without making the plate permanently one thing. Its 6.0 cleaning score trails the stainless steel set and the plastic budget set, which matters after repeated meals. But the bigger trade-off is maintenance, because bamboo needs more attention than a grab-and-go option. So I see this as a material choice purchase, not the easiest daily default. Skip it if your routine already has enough hand care steps. I'd also skip it if lowest maintenance cleanup is the goal. It suits a parent who wants bamboo's look and accepts the added care. Number 1. Kiddobloom Dinnerware Set. Here's the payoff. I'd buy this one for most families. The Kiddobloom Dinnerware Set is the stainless steel set I'd choose when daily use matters more than a plate sticking down. Its 80 overall score makes the case for a balanced set with durable material and easier cleanup. That means less reason to baby the dinnerware as routines change. But it has no suction, and that's the one compromise you need to take seriously. A child who pushes plates around can still move it across the eating surface. Skip it if keeping the plate attached matters most in your current setup. I'd also skip it if a suction base is non-negotiable. For everyone else, I think its useful lifespan beats the specialized alternatives. This is the one I'd actually bring home. Side by side, Replay is for stacked sections, Munchkin is for budget cleanup, and ezpz is for one-piece suction. Bamboo Fox is for the bamboo preference. Kiddobloom is for the parent who wants stainless steel durability without a special routine. The ranking follows daily friction, not novelty. Before buying, check whether your eating surface works with the suction style you want. Then picture your actual cleanup, storage, and scratch tolerance. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. Finally, choose the plate your routine can support every day. Choose Replay for stackable sections, Munchkin for budget basics, ezpz for one-piece suction, or Bamboo Fox for bamboo. But I'd choose Kiddobloom for the most durable, easiest daily set here. Links are in the description.